Businesses these days highly depend on data. So much so that we started to speak of a data culture in the age of analytics. That's for pretty good reason. Data-driven companies are able to react to changes in real time, innovate faster, and ultimately make better business decisions based on their data. But in many companies, there is an uncontrolled growth of data. Just think of the vast amount of data produced by all the different departments. Many businesses therefore often struggle with inconsistent master data across the enterprise, a lack of flexibility and transparency, as well as manual efforts to update and maintain master data, resulting in high manual maintenance costs. With the help of machine learning and artificial intelligence, a more intelligent form of master data management is now a reality. SAP's AI business service Data Attribute Recommendation is a SAP Cloud Platform service that automates master data management tasks 24/7. Imagine an import or export company that is transporting goods over borders, for example. New commodities often do not have commodity codes or are classified incorrectly. This often leads to rejection of assignment goods by customs or long waiting times at the borders, which can cost organizations huge amounts of money. Data Attribute Recommendation can predict the correct values and commodity codes by learning the logic behind these complex master data fields and the associated dependencies to multiple data attributes. Data Attribute Recommendation is targeted at organizations and business units wanting to use machine learning to speed up the data creation, maintenance, and cleaning process, as well as reduce manual master data management efforts, giving your employees more time for value-adding tasks. Consistent master data is the basis for an intelligent enterprise and the key for well-founded data-driven decisions. Establish a data culture in your company and retrieve the treasure of your master data now with Data Attribute Recommendation.